This is going to be an exciting review and first impressions because this is the first 2021 fall collection that I have received from MAC Cosmetics. I mean, just look at the packaging. It is absolutely stunning. This is what the palette looks like. It is so beautiful. I love the entire fall theme and fall colors. It's even prettier on the inside. The entire collection, which includes a face glaze strobe. I have no idea what this is, but we will find out. There's also an eyeliner pencil. I have it in Cobalt Coal, which I think is a deep blue shade. They also have the gold light in the same packaging, so it's like a special edition, and the packaging of the gold light looks like that if it focuses. I already have the gold light, so I'm just going to put this away in my giveaway drawer. I'm actually collecting a huge giveaway box. So on that note, if you want to win my giveaway whenever that is, do follow and do subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And if you're already following me or subscribe, thank you so much for watching this video. So without further ado, let's get into this video and let's see how these shadows and lipsticks perform. We're also going to do a lip swatch towards the end, and hopefully it turns out all beautiful. So let's get into it. I'm starting off with, of course, my eyes. Now I've already primed my eyes. As you can see, I have got my base done already. So I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and get into one of these transition shades. Of course, that color kind of blended into my skin tone, so we're just going to deepen the crease a little bit. So now I'm going in with this chocolate brown color to deepen my crease. Now there are a lot of shimmers and I'm kind of gravitating towards this one. How beautiful does that look? Oh my god. Now I'll be honest, with the kind of colors it has, this might just become my go-to palette for this, you know, autumn to winter transition. Now I'm going into a bit of that gold shimmer so that I just want to put it in my inner corner. I think this is just a winner. This palette is just a winner. I mean, each shade here, I mean, just look at that rust gold here. It looks amazing. Now I'm going to just deepen the outer corner of my eye. It's just making it look so beautiful. Oh, MAC won with this palette. That looks so good, and it was literally effortless. Now I'm doing my lower lash line with the same purple shade. You saw that. It was so easy to work this palette. It is beautiful. It's not very pigmented, which is a good thing. These shadows are just perfect. You can build them up or you can just wear it as lightly as you want. So these performed really nicely. Now I'm going to go in with the pencil and I'm just going to line my waterline and my lash line. How pretty does that liner look? It has that blue and against the purple, it's looking so pretty. Now, of course, I'm going to take the MAC 3D mascara. And that's what the eye makeup looks like. I know my eye is a bit red. That's because my eyes turn red every time I put kohl in my waterline. That's nothing to worry about. That's just my sensitive eyes that I've been blessed with. Yeah, so that's pretty much the eye makeup look. I actually love it. How simple it was, how beautiful the shadows are. Now we're going to go into the lipsticks. I know for a fact that we all love MAC lipsticks, and these are some shades that I'm really looking forward to unboxing. I think I'm going to go with Avant Garnet. Or should I just use a pink lipstick? I don't let's open this lip glaze. No, sorry, what is this called? Face strobe. I have never used this product. This is a face glaze, face strobe, if it ever focuses. And I have no idea what it does. Smells like nothing. Ooh. Aha. It's a face strobe, but it's rather sticky. It's rather sticky. I don't know if I want to wear this. Unfortunately, I'm going to skip those lip colors that came with the collection because it's not really going with my eye makeup. So I'm going to use this Love Me color in Hey Frenchie. So this is a pinky nude color. So this is what I'm going to use. So this lipstick looks more cohesive with the eye makeup, so I'm going to skip over the lipsticks that came with the collection, but I would like to swatch them for you as well. So that's the swatches of the lipsticks. So that's the makeup look completed. I hope you enjoyed this first impressions sort of review of the new Tempting Fate collection by MAC Cosmetics. It is their fall collection. Of course, let me show you the palette again. This is what the palette looks like. This is what the packaging, the entire collection's packaging looks like. I think out of the entire collection, it's the palette that I would definitely recommend, and the eye pencil. Two things from the entire collection that you should get for getting you through to these transition months into winter is the palette and the eye pencil. Skip the face strobe glaze thing. It's sticky. It'll not sit on your face very well. The lipsticks, they're beautiful packaging, but the colors, they're nothing new. And yeah, so in the entire collection, I think the palette really is amazing. And I think you're going to get a lot of use out of it. And of course, the Cobalt Coal, which is that beautiful blue. I mean, I've not seen a blue like this. Is definitely a recommendation. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, don't forget to follow or subscribe, or do both. It would mean a lot to me. I would be putting up this video on all my socials wherever possible. I'm the Glam Frau. Don't forget to like this video, and until my next one, take care.